What if I told you that even in today's tech-savvy world, millions of people still fall for the same old scams? Despite the rise of digital security, scammers are evolving their tactics, preying on emotions like fear, greed, and love to trick people out of their money and personal information. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 12 common scams that people still fall for, and, more importantly, how you can protect yourself. From phishing attacks to cryptocurrency scams, these fraudsters are out there trying to take advantage of anyone not on guard. Stick around as we break down each scam in detail and give you tips to stay safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss content that helps protect your hard-earned money. Phishing scams are one of the most prevalent types of online fraud. Typically, you'll receive an email or text that looks like it's from a legitimate company, your bank, a popular online retailer, or even a government agency. These messages often create a sense of urgency, such as saying your account has been compromised or you've won a prize, tricking you into clicking a link or providing sensitive information. Once you do, scammers can access your personal accounts and steal your money. To avoid phishing scams, always double-check the sender's email address or phone number. If something feels off, like a strange domain name, don't click on any links. Instead, visit the company's website directly by typing the URL yourself. Additionally, enabling two-factor authentication on your important accounts can provide an extra layer of security. Have you ever seen a pop-up claiming that your computer has been infected with malware? Tech support scams often start this way, or they begin with a phone call from someone pretending to be from a well-known company like Microsoft or Apple. These scammers say your computer has a serious issue and offer to fix it for a fee. They may even ask for remote access to your computer, allowing them to steal personal data or install malware. To protect yourself from tech support scams, remember that legitimate companies will never contact you out of the blue. If someone does, it's a red flag. Never grant remote access to anyone who contacts you unexpectedly, and if you're worried about your device, call the company's official support line directly. Romance scams have become increasingly common with the rise of online dating platforms. Scammers create fake profiles, often using stolen photos, and spend months building a relationship with their victims. Once they've gained trust, they fabricate a crisis. Maybe they're stuck in a foreign country, or they have a sudden medical emergency, and ask for financial help. Unfortunately, victims often send money and then never hear from the scammer again. To avoid falling for romance scams, be cautious of people who declare their love too quickly or refuse to meet in person. Never send money or gifts to someone you've only met online. If something feels off, do a reverse image search of their profile pictures to see if they've been used elsewhere. Everyone loves a good deal, but online shopping scams are built around too good to be true offers. Scammers set up fake websites that look like legitimate stores, offering popular products at heavily discounted prices. Once you make a payment, the product either never arrives or you receive a cheap knockoff. These scams are especially rampant during holiday sales seasons when people are more likely to make impulsive purchases. To stay safe while shopping online, always use trusted websites and check the URL for HTTPS, indicating a secure site. Avoid shopping on unfamiliar sites, especially if the prices seem too good to be true. If possible, use secure payment methods like credit cards or PayPal, which offer buyer protection if things go wrong. You receive an email or letter claiming that you've won a lottery or sweepstakes. But here's the catch. You need to pay taxes or processing fees up front before you can claim your prize. This is a classic scam designed to trick people into handing over money. Unfortunately, once you pay, you'll never receive your supposed prize, and the scammers disappear. To avoid falling for lottery scams, remember this simple rule. You can't win a lottery or sweepstakes you didn't enter. Legitimate lotteries never ask for fees up front to claim a prize. If you ever receive such a message, don't respond and verify the legitimacy of the contest through official channels. Job scams promise high-paying jobs or flexible work-from-home opportunities, but they require you to pay up front for training, equipment, or other fees. In some cases, scammers send fake checks to new hires, asking them to wire part of the money back for supplies. Once the check bounces, the victim is left owing money to the bank. To avoid job scams, remember that legitimate companies won't ask you to pay to get a job. Always research the company offering the position and be cautious if the job seems too good to be true, especially if it arrives unsolicited. Before sending money, verify that the job and the company are real. IRS and government scams are designed to scare you into making a quick payment. The scammer will claim you owe back taxes or fines and threaten legal action or arrest if you don't pay immediately. They often demand payment through unusual methods like gift cards or wire transfers, making it hard to trace the money. To avoid falling for this scam, know that the IRS or any government agency will never demand immediate payment over the phone. If you receive such a call, hang up and contact the agency directly using a verified phone number. Never share personal information or payment details with unsolicited callers. Scammers often exploit tragedies or natural disasters by setting up fake charities and asking for donations. They pull at your heartstrings, creating a sense of urgency to get you to donate quickly without verifying where your money is going. The scammer pockets the funds, and the intended recipients never see a dime. To avoid fake charity scams, always research the charity before making a donation. You can use websites like Charity Navigator or GuideStar to verify a charity's legitimacy. Be wary of unsolicited donation requests, especially on social media, and never give out personal financial information unless you're certain the organization is reputable. With the rise of cryptocurrency, scams in this area have also exploded. Scammers often create fake investment platforms, promising huge returns on crypto investments. Others target cryptocurrency wallets through phishing attacks, stealing funds directly. Ponzi schemes and fake initial coin offerings, or ICOs, are also common, with victims losing substantial amounts of money. To avoid cryptocurrency scams, stick to well-known regulated exchanges and avoid unsolicited investment opportunities. Always research before making any crypto-related investments, and consider using hardware wallets to store your cryptocurrency securely. Be extra cautious of schemes promising guaranteed returns. Real estate and rental scams target people looking for homes or rental properties. Scammers post fake listings with appealing prices, asking for deposits or fees up front without allowing the prospective tenant or buyer to view the property. Once the payment is made, the scammer disappears, and the property either doesn't exist or isn't available. To protect yourself from real estate scams, never send money without seeing the property in person and verifying ownership. Stick to reputable websites for renting or buying property, and be cautious of landlords who rush the process or request payment through unconventional methods. Scammers impersonate popular influencers or celebrities, setting up fake profiles to run giveaways that require you to share personal information or pay fees to enter. Once you've provided your details, they can steal your identity or charge hidden fees for non-existent prizes. To avoid falling for social media giveaway scams, always verify that the influencer or brand is legitimate by checking for a verified blue check mark on their profile. Don't provide personal information or pay any fees to claim a prize, and be skeptical of giveaways that require more than simple engagement to enter. Investment and Ponzi schemes have been around for a long time, but continue to trap people looking for quick returns. These scams promise high returns with little or no risk. In a Ponzi scheme, early investors are paid from the contributions of new investors, not actual profits. Eventually, the scam collapses when there's not enough new money coming in, leaving many investors with nothing. To avoid investment scams, be skeptical of any opportunity that promises high returns with little risk. Always research the investment and the people behind it before committing any money. If possible, consult a trusted financial advisor before making significant investments. Scams are more sophisticated than ever, but with the right information, you don't have to fall victim. Stay informed, trust your instincts, and always double-check offers that seem too good to be true. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've encountered any of these scams. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.